What's up, guys? Okay, so I jumped on. Never mind. What's happening? I jumped on World War II because I was like, okay, so I'm sure there's a lot of new stuff happening on World War II and that I haven't gotten a chance to enjoy. And so I got on, and I guess they got some new weapons. They got some new assault rifles, a new sniper rifle, two new SMGs, and I don't have any of them. So I was like, all right, so maybe I'll buy one outright that you can get with the days of summer. And I look at my credits. And if you do the addition on these, don't have enough. And if you do the addition on these, still don't have enough. Piss me right off. I really wanted to get an assault rifle or an SMG. And I just couldn't get it. I know they got some sniper rifles. It's a bolt-action sniper rifle that offers fair one-shot kill zone. Do I have enough? I don't want to buy. What should I do? Nah, I won't get it. I'm pretty bummed out though that I didn't get any of the new weapons. I did get something new. What is it? It was like a melee thing. The push dagger. Called the Talon. The f uses those anymore? Nobody uses those. I mean, I'm not a medieval, angry wife who hates her husband and wants to kill him for cheating on her. That's what you would use. You would hide that under your pillow and then, like, you know. No, it's not me. Don't want to do it. So, I have 23 armory credit, 23,000 armory credits, and I don't have enough, man. But I really, really want one of those new weapons. So screw it. Let's do it. Fuck it.
Time to stock up.
For the sake of just purchasing something new. Will I have enough?
Not the worst pickup I've ever seen.
Maybe.
Solid
I think I'll have enough. Will I have enough?
Impressed. Glad it meets your approval. Damn well should. Decent collection. It's yours now. Make it count. Solid choice. I'm almost impressed. Solid choice. I'm almost impressed. Good choice.
Barely enough. I spent all of them. I got a new sniper rifle. 3-line rifle. I haven't seen much of these. Like when I take a break, I take a break. I don't really get on YouTube. I stay off of social media pretty much, kind of.
Now, remember your training.
Jesus Christ.
Taking Charlie. Azon bomb mission underway. Enemy has A. Enemy controls base.
I don't give a shit about the holding these points, boys. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to have fun with this sniper rifle.
Counter recon aloft. Engaging enemy recon aircraft. Recon aloft. We have eyes in the sky.
He said, man down, man down.
Charlie is ours.
Did I? Oh, I got him.
Contact at Charlie. They're capturing Vega.
Oh, what?
Incoming enemy artillery. Get to cover. Enemy bomb incoming. Get to cover.
Oh.
Counter recon is airborne. Engaging enemy aircraft. Searching for targets.
Take my time with that one.
They're taking Baker.
Oh shit! You died late, dude.
Baker's overrun.
That was a dramatic. That was cinematic. You just died because.
Approaching. Incendiary bombs incoming. Securing Baker.
That was timed just right.
Capturing Baker. Closing with Baker. Enemy paratroopers surrounding us. They're taking Charlie.
Yeah, I couldn't get him.
Taking Baker.
I gave up.
They're capturing Charlie. Enemy recon aircraft observed. Enemy holds all positions.
Oh, come on.
Closing with Baker.
Ah.
Recon aircraft. Charlie is out. Enemy counterintelligence aircraft observed. Cancel recon flights until the sky is clear. Enemy bomb incoming. Get to cover. Enemy bomber in the sky. Take cover.
No, 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 no.
Aircraft observed. Enemy contact.
What?
Enemy paratroopers surrounding us. Enemy recon aircraft observed. Taking Baker. Closing with Baker.
Okay, I think they don't want us to stay alive anymore, boys.
Enemy capturing Charlie.
Hello. Hello. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh Jesus.
Counter recon aloft. Engaging enemy recon aircraft. Rehold Baker. They're capturing Baker. Recon aircraft.
Oh my God.
They're taking Baker. Recon airborne.
Oh yeah, recon airborne, boys.
Baker.
You know, good thing that I got that because,
Recon aircraft ready for flight.
you know, we're gonna need that.
Enemy aircraft.
That's really gonna like help us out in this map, boys. Hello, sir.
Securing Baker. Recon
Oh. I got some score streaks with this thing. With, I mean, I know that's not impressive at all, but
securing Baker.
it is for me. No.
Securing A. Baker locked down.
The 3-line rifle, the sniper rifle. It was really fun to use. So that's the only new weapon I got so far. So hopefully I can get all of them before the Black Ops 4 release. So anyway, I had fun using it. I hope you guys enjoyed that gameplay. If you did, make sure you drop a like. Waste all your wishes and send them my way. So hopefully I get one of the new SMGs or one of the new assault rifles. All right. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will chat with you guys later. See ya!
Just go play your game.